Does your back ache just thinking about double digging, weeding, and fertilizing? Are you tired of spending hundreds of dollars at the nursery only to watch your expensive plants die the second you forget to water them? What if I told you the traditional Japanese garden isn't just beautiful, it is the ultimate lazy garden, designed to outlive you with almost zero maintenance? Today, we are putting away the fertilizer and the watering cans. I am going to show you 15 authentic Japanese garden plants that are so ridiculously tough, they actually refuse to die. In fact, plant number 6 is literally nicknamed cast iron because it's virtually indestructible. So let's start with the ground covers that will smother your weeds forever. Forget weeding on your hands and knees. Japanese spurge creates a dense, evergreen carpet that chokes out weeds completely and thrives in total shade.
Need something you can accidentally step on? Mondo grass looks like tiny, elegant tufts of grass but survives droughts, bad soil, and heavy foot traffic.
If you have a hot, dry spot with terrible soil, plant juniper. It requires absolutely zero water once established.
This is known as the Japanese stonecrop succulent.
A beautiful succulent that practically grows on bare rock. It stores its own water, meaning you can ignore it all summer. Bugleweed is an unstoppable ground cover that shoots out beautiful purple flowers in spring and handles horrible clay soil like a champion.
If you have a dark corner of your yard where the dirt is basically dust and every plant you put there dies, don't give up yet. These next 5 shade warriors are about to solve your problem forever, especially the cast iron plant.
This is the cast iron plant, Aspidistra. The Victorians used to keep these in dark, smoke-filled rooms, and they still thrived.
It survives deep shade, drought, and total neglect. It is unkillable.
This is the Japanese holly fern. Unlike delicate ferns that need constant misting, this one has tough, leathery leaves that laugh at dry spells.
Hostas, the ultimate lazy shade plant. They come back bigger every year, and the thick-leaved blue varieties are naturally slug-resistant.
Lily turf looks like grass, flowers like a perennial, and survives under the dense shade of mature trees where nothing else will grow.
Want a massive, tropical look without the tropical maintenance?
The Japanese Aralia has huge, glossy leaves that thrive in the dark and handle winter frosts perfectly.
Finally, to give your garden that authentic, structured Japanese look, you need shrubs. But we aren't planting anything that requires constant babying or toxic sprays. These 5 are made of steel.
Cuba japonica, the gold dust plant, brightens up dark corners with yellow speckled leaves. Never needs pruning, never needs extra water. This is heavenly bamboo nandina. It gives you the beautiful look of bamboo without aggressively taking over your yard.
It changes to a stunning red in the winter and survives extreme heat.
The Japanese boxwood, Buxus, is the backbone of the Japanese garden.
It's drought-tolerant, deer-resistant, and creates those beautiful green clouds you see in Zen gardens. Japanese yew is one of the longest-living evergreens on Earth. Plant it, ignore it, and it will likely outlive your house.
And finally, the flowering quince. A tough-as-nails shrub that bursts into incredible red blossoms. Does this in late winter when everything else is dead and requires zero pampering.
A garden should be a place of peace, not a place of endless, back-breaking labor. By choosing these 15 indestructible Japanese plants, you are building a sanctuary that takes care of itself. If you found this helpful, let us know in the comments below, and we will see you in the next video.